and Johnny, are you still worrying about melting your icebox after you got your boiler? Well, no worry about that anymore. My pleasure to introduce English refrigerator to you. The world has changed. Your future could be even better. Just keep this goodness coming, it will never melt. We don't use ice anymore. Who will put ice into the refrigerator? We won't. Now this business iceman. Once you plug electric plug into the socket, it will use the cool down system to protect your food from rotten. Frost, talk with your cake eater. It is now only $285 and you can buy it from your local electrical store. Oh, I like this word. It slowly become a household word in Canada. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want a win-win but your Dow is behind the 8 ball, there's not many people who have refrigerators due to the high price of them. Because of this, we decided that you can be purchased on credit to buy them. Isn't that a cat meow idea? So buy your refrigerator today from your local electrical store.
Your house and your life, how it's your refrigerator. Your house and your life, we can cool it when we want. Your icebox by a iceman, da da da. It protects your food from rotten doo 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 da da da.